good.
Now fine.
Very good. We're going to develop a technique which allows us to actually translate the Bible verses. And we're going to color code the words to help us in that process. And we're also going to bring in a dictionary from the internet. So let's see if we can do that first. Let's all be together here on the internet. There's a wonderful website called Sephariah, and it contains many great Hebrew reference tools, as well as awesome translations, Hebrew English translations of the Bible and the rabbinic literature. It's a wonderful, wonderful resource. And we're getting a lot more cooperation tonight than we had last night. So we can actually be looking up words tonight on the fly. So let's bring in one more joiner. We've got a lot of people joining tonight. So it is a wonderful, wonderful class. Kishore, kindly, if you could mute your audio just while we're giving this presentation, will be great. And actually, really everybody can mute their audio until it's time to be called. So let me just get us started with this technique for translating the Hebrew verses. We're reading from the book of Samuel, and the first thing we will do is ask Joseph to read the first verse for us. Samuel, book 1, chapter 4, verse 9.
It's not
Joseph,
sharing. Nice, now sharing.
Let me share it. Okay. Kindly, Joseph, if you would give us the verse in Hebrew.
התחזקו והיו.
Actually, right, or it could be a pause. It could be VU, like that. VU. Right.
לאנשים פלישתים פן.
Good.
תעבדו לעברים כאשר עבדו לכם.
Good. התחזקו ויהיו לאנשים פלישתים, הן תעבדו לעברים כאשר עבדו לכם. And then Nancy, kindly finish off the last two lines.
Okay. Vihi tem.
Well done.
Le'anashim.
Careful with the first vowel under the lamed.
La, oh sorry.
There you go.
La anashim.
Nice.
Venil cham. Oh, venil chame tem.
You were right the first time. You want to rest on the mem. Venil cham.
Venil cha. Do I rest also?
On the mem, yeah. Venil cham.
Oh, venil cham. Sorry. Venil Chame
No,
tem.
no, you want to rest on, use the shva as a stop sign. Cham, tem, cham, tem.
Okay, because of with the first, there's a lamet there. There's a rest.
Right, both of these are stop signs.
So both.
Right.
Oh, okay. Any reason?
So it's only when they're next door to each other that the second one has to be pronounced. But when there's a letter in between, then they're both functioning the same way as stop signs.
Oh, okay. 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 So it's venil cham tem.
Well done, Vinyl Cham Tem.
Okay.
The first word here, hitchazku, is in the verb class called hitpa'el. It's a reflexive verb class. It means something that's coming back and happening to ourselves, like I wash myself. Actually, I pray is a reflexive verb in Hebrew, or I I comfort myself. We can create a reflexive condition by adding the word in English myself or ourselves. Or so the heat pa'el is the name of the verb class, heat pa'el. And when we see heat, that hey tav, like we see at the beginning here, it's our clue that we're dealing with this heat pa'el verb class, this reflexive verb class. So we can actually take out that heat, and what's left is that chet zayin kuf. And that's the bit that we can look up in the dictionary. So let's have some fun and let's try and look up that chet zayin kuf in the dictionary. And let me show you how it works in this Jastro dictionary. You have to be able to change your keyboard to Hebrew, of course. And then you go over to this search bar and you go chet. Where's my Zion? Zion Kuf. And then your choice comes up, this Chazak. And then can everybody see this on the screen? Chazak. Biblical Hebrew, to squeeze together, to be thick, solid, to be strong.
Yes. You are able to see.
So let's try. Good. So let's try and find now the correct verb class. We're looking for the heat pa'el verb class. So let's scroll down. You see how much is here. How much builds on chazak. All of this is verb class on chazak. And here's our heat pa'el, heat chazek, or heat chazak, nit chazak, to become solid, strong, to feel encouraged, to take courage. So the captain of the Philistine army is commanding his soldiers, hit chazku, take courage, be strong, take strength, strengthen yourselves. And that's the way this analysis works. And we'll do a little bit of this in each class until we all get a feeling for how to isolate out the red bit, which is the root, which we can look up in the dictionary. But for now, let me translate for you and give everybody a chance to enjoy the verses, and then we'll go over to some drill and get everybody working at their level of and progressing in their Hebrew. But enjoy this recitation now kindly. Hitchazku v'yu lanashim. Strengthen yourselves and be men. Be proper Plishtim, full-blooded Philistines. Penta avdu ivrim, lest the Hebrews should enslave you. Ka'asher avdu lachem, as you once enslaved them. Somebody's joining. I bet you Joseph has already got them in. Gabriel's with us. Great to have you, brother. Welcome.
Thank you.
V'hitamlan, and be men, be brave. V'nilchamtem, and join the battle. Join yourselves in battle. Then the next verse, V'yilachamu plishtim, v'yinagef Yisrael, v'yanusu ish le'ohalav, v'tihi maka gadola ma'od, v'yipol Yisrael 30,000 ragli. Vayilachamu plishtim, and the Philistines joined the battle. Vayinagef Yisrael v'yanusu ish lo halav, and the Israelites were sorely smitten, and they fled, each man to his tent. V'tahi maka gadola ma'od, but the devastation was very great. Vayipol Yisrael 30,000 ragli, and more than 13,000 Israelites were slain. And then the last verse, Va'aron Elohim, the ark of God, Nilkach, was taken. It was captured. The ark of God was captured by the Philistines. Ushne v'nei Eli mesu, and the two attendants, the sons of Eli, who were attending to the ark, were killed. They were slaughtered, namely Hophni and Phinehas. Those were the names of the two Levites who attended the ark. Let's see who we've got in here, and let's arrange some breakouts. TK, thank you for being so patient. May I work with you just a little bit, TK?
No problem.
Awesome. So we have what's known as a Hebrew Learner's Worksheet, and keep a record of all of our progress. And I think we've made it all the way to the letter Hey.